Hey guys, it's Karen from Acrylics. I'm doing another pour with the same colors from the last video because I'm enamored with them. I just tried once and overstretched it, so rather than make you guys watch that whole thing, I'm just going to pour over this 10 by 20 I have down. Same colors as the last video, same pouring medium, same everything. I'll list it all up on the screen, but I just want to get started. You guys should have seen this when it came out of the cup. It was amazing. And then I ruined it. So let me try again. So basically I'm taking 2 cups, got paint down already, and I'm going to layer these with both black and white cell activator, titanium white and carbon black mixed with the Australian Floetrol, 3-to-1. So I try to keep the consistency pretty much the same as my pouring medium. So a little on the thick side leaves a trace. I know it's white. I know it's hard to see. It's the best I can do. So I'm going to put in some white. Oops. And we're going to go with this blue russet. Oh, so thick. See? No water. Just the pigment and the pouring medium. Okay. Aztec gold. What's this one called? The flamingo pink. And I'm gonna kill off this lilac because there's only like 2 spoons left from that last video. Kill that off. Just a drizzle of the black. Go again. Actually, that's okay. I was going to throw in some white. I'm going to put a whole bunch of white on top. Kill off the gold. I'll put white there. And we'll do black on this side. All right, take 2. All right, Geronimo. bottoms up. Make sure they touch. We'll see what happens. Oh my gosh, you should see the inside of my cup. So cool. All right, let's try this again. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's just amazing. I gotta hold that up. Look at this. That is groovy. There's something stuck. All right, let's take it down an end. Yeah, I'm gonna lose that lacing, that black lacing. What am I gonna do? I can't help it. Oh, is it sluggish? Hold on. a bump in the painting. I don't know if I'm going to get to it, but I'm going to try to bring this down a little. What is that? Can I fix that right there? Haha. That's gorgeous. Ta-da! Ta-da! Next time I will do 3 cups so that I can save more of the lacing, but this is really pretty. I know this looks all gray, but it's actually like purple and gold and gray in here. That's stunning. Oh my gosh. This one little part's bugging me. Let me get you guys down. Tell me what you think. Ta-da! Isn't it pretty? Oh my goodness. So pretty. And this is on wood, so it's gonna look amazing because I'm definitely gonna resin this piece. The colors with the lacing. See if I can get those colors up there too. Darker, but pretty. I love this corner. Looks really, really great. Yeah, I'm pretty thrilled with this. I'm totally enamored with those colors, so you might see something similar along these lines. So until then, please like, share, and subscribe. Newbies, welcome to my channel. I'm supposed to say all this up front, but you know. Anyway, take care, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back with the dried results. I'm gonna give it to you straight. I'm highly annoyed and PO'd at the results of this one. If you remember at the beginning of the video, I was like very hesitant because this is a Hobby Lobby Master's Touch cradled wood board, and I was worried about it buckling and warping, and that's exactly what happened, and it ruined my damn painting. And I loved this painting. Like, I loved it almost as much as the last one. Well, actually, I might have liked it even more because as it dried, the colors, I just love the unusual color combination. Again, very earthy, very moody, great composition. And this looks gray. It's not gray though. See, it's purple with that gold, deep gold color. And it's cracked all to hell. Let me put the camera down. Don't buy these, y'all. Don't. Because it bowed. See, it's all nice and taped. It bowed right in the middle. So it goes like this. There is a curve to this. And because it bowed, it cracked right along the, it's like the fault line where it cracked. Now, this crack here wouldn't bother me so much, but this is just ruined up here because all the paint as it dried slid downhill into that crevice. So it is all cracked to hell everywhere up here in this really cool piece with the lacing. The bottom part down here fared a little better, just a little bit of cracking here, but everything wanted to slide in the middle where it bowed inward. So just, you know, you get what you paid for. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you the bow or not, but like if I press on it right here, you can see it going up and down. Definitely gonna have to try this color combo again. I thought it was beautiful together, and yeah, not a happy camper. Off camera, I did do one successfully because guess what? I used a better canvas. This is a Frederick round canvas. You can tell it's much, much better than the stuff you get at Hobby Lobby where they have the folded staple back ones on the round. See, Frederick uses a much stiffer substrate, and then I don't know how they attach the canvas, but they don't warp and they don't have all those bumpy staples everywhere, and it's just a higher quality canvas. How's this one go? Something like this. I did this guy without you folks. I was a painting fool yesterday for like 6 hours. I just went to town and turned on the camera and just wanted to, you know, paint for me. And this was the results of one of them. So as your budget allows, try to buy quality canvases or substrates. That's it for me today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe and healthy, and please practice social distancing. I am self-quarantined as someone who had pneumonia just, you know, a mere 3 months ago. I'm taking no chances, so I just sent my husband out to the grocery store. Anyway, see you soon. Bye-bye.